Hey, what's up, guys? Guess what? This is WWE Guy High 1, and I'm back, and now we'll show you, like I said in my other video, that I will show you 2 pictures and 2 autographs of some WWE superstars, and I'll show you the first one I got last night, yeah, and there it is. It's Carlito. I don't know what his name, but yeah, sorry. And there it is. He are not wearing wrestling attire or wrestling clothes, just a shirt. Yeah, this is Carlito. There it is. Yeah, and that was the first one. I'm really happy for this. I'm not a big fan of Carlito, but yeah, I like his move and like that. And the next one is, guess what? It's a big WWE superstar. It is Randy Orton. I am a big fan of Randy Orton. He is so good, and the RKO is so nice. Yeah, there it is. With the autograph in his WWE wrestling clothes. That's nice. I'm really happy for this, because I don't remember if it's sold out now, but I don't hope it's sold out for you guys. But I'm really happy for this, because it's cost me $43 dollars for this. So yeah, I'm really happy for this. So thank you for watching, YouTube, and go check WWE Guy High 1 on my profile on YouTube. And this is what a video of my new 2 pictures of WWE superstars. Randy Orton with his autograph and wrestling clothes, and Carlito with his autograph and shirt. So, and with the apple. So yeah, thanks for watching, like I said, and thank you so much, YouTube. See you guys next time when I will make a video. Bye.